Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. This lecture 12 is for B.Sc.Part-2 students, Organic Chemistry, Paper-2, Unit-1. It is a Unit-1's B part, ethers and epoxides. This is the syllabus, nomenclature of ethers, methods of their formation, physical properties, Gies's method, synthesis of epoxides, etc. Ethers, introduction. Ethers are represented by general formula CnH2n plus 2O and are isomeric with monohydric alcohols. Ethers possess a bivalent oxygen function and have structural formula ROR, ROAR means aromatic, AROAR, which is different from alcohol in having no replaceable active hydrogen. It means this ether do not have replaceable active hydrogen like alcohols. For example, dimethyl ether, diethyl ether, diisopropyl ether. They may be considered as dialkyl derivatives of water or alkyl derivatives of alcohol. See this, it is a dialkyl derivatives of water and alkyl derivatives of alcohol. Means already it having one alkyl group and another alkyl group is alkyl derivatives of alcohol. So both the alkyls. Here water it having two hydrogen, whereas in ether we having two alkyl groups. So it is known as dialkyl derivatives of water. They may be also be considered as alkyl oxides because of their apparent similarity with metallic oxides. However, the analogy is only superficial because the ethers, unlike metallic oxides, are covalent compounds and neutral substances. They may also be regarded as anhydrides of alcohols, as they may be derived by elimination of water from the two molecules of alcohol. See the ethanol, two molecules of ethanol, and one water molecule is removed from these two ethanol molecules. So means water molecule is eliminated. That's why it is also known as anhydrides of alcohols, and we will get ether molecule. Classification. Ethers may be classified into two groups, simple or symmetrical ethers and mixed or unsymmetrical ethers. Simple or unsymmetrical ethers. Ethers have two alkyl or aryl groups attached to an oxygen atom. If the two alkyl groups or aryl groups R and R are same, they are known as simple or symmetrical ethers. For example, see here, both methyl groups are attached to oxygen. So it is a dimethyl ether, diethyl ether, diphenyl ether, dibenzyl ether, like that. Mixed or unsymmetrical ethers. Mixed or unsymmetrical ethers are to different alkyl groups or aryl groups bound to oxygen function. For example, methyl ethyl ether, methyl normal propyl ether, ethyl allyl ether, methyl phenyl ether. Nomenclature. common or tribal name system. In this system of nomenclature, ethers are named by prefixing the names uh, of alkyl radicals attached to oxygen before the word ether. Most of the ethers are known by their common names: dimethyl ether, diethyl ether. See here, this is dimethyl ether, diethyl ether, methyl ethyl ether, ethyl phenyl ether, diphenyl ether. IUPAC nomenclature. In this system, the ethers are named as alkoxy derivative of hydrocarbons. The term alkoxy is retained with group having lesser number of carbon atoms, and the name of ether is written as one word. See here, methoxymethane, methoxyethane, lower carbon, right? Here, ethoxypropane, ethoxyethane, methoxybenzene, phenoxybenzene. Certain molecules like anisole, phenitol, meta-anisidine, these molecules are accepted by IUPAC. If the functional group of precedence higher than ether is present in the molecule, the alkoxy or aryloxy group is named as an alkoxy or an aryloxy derivative of the parent molecule. Suppose in this molecule, methoxyacetic acid, right? 4-phenoxybutanol. So, if alkoxy group is present, then it is given as a derivative of the parent molecule. Thank you very much.